It's a small sword.
Wow, you seem really proud of your small sword there, Percival.
Absolutely. My small sword is the envy of all the gents in town.
So you showed your small sword to all the gents in town?
Well, yes, we've all taken turns handling each other's small swords, and they quite like the feel of mine.
No rope could hold it, no hand could touch it. Men tried and failed again and again, chasing strength with strength, meeting fury with fear. It was up to Athena. No ropes, no restraints, just Athena. Not the mighty steeds of Olympus, not the golden-armored champions of war, just Wilson, a Pegasus no taller than her knee, but with the heart of a lion and the wisdom of the skies. He did not come from thunder or fire. He did not arrive with fanfare or prophecy. He simply appeared one morning on the wind.
The young man from Colorado. Did he just get all of the rings? My lords and ladies, 4 rings. And in the white, my lords and ladies, for an additional 3. Knights, come up and prepare to charge on. My lords and ladies, this is where our show turns to the real thing. Because what you're about to see is not just any style of joust. You're about to see one of the most dangerous styles of jousting known to man. You see, in most styles of jousting, the armor was designed in such a way to deflect the impact force away from a knight's body. But in this style, our knights are actually bolting to the breastplates, a gridded grand guard and buff. That gridded grand guard is now the target. And when the lances come in and strike that target, they do not deflect left or right. Instead, these knights are going to receive the full force of impact right to the chest. And the crowd